How to change your background in your CapCut project. So first you want to open up your project and then drag your video to the timeline. And if you see a black background around the video, here's how to change that. So all you need to do is select your video in the timeline, and on the top right here you want to click on the video tab and then scroll all the way down till you see the canvas option. Now expand the canvas option like this and select the drop down and change it whether you want blur, color, pattern, or brand backgrounds. So in this case you can use color, and then you can basically choose whatever color you want from this list. So for example, you can pick yellow and it should apply the color to the background of the video. You can also click on apply all to apply to all the clips. And if you choose the blur option, you can basically select which type of blur you want to use. Like this one is still kind of visible. This one is way too much blur. And you want to pick whatever you want from these effects. You can also use a pattern, for example, like this. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.